Ever pondered what separates the affluent from the average? What is it that propels certain individuals to the apex of success and wealth? The answers to these queries may be simpler than you think. In the grand scheme of life, success and wealth are not elusive treasures reserved for the lucky few. Rather, they are attainable goals that one can achieve through a series of manageable steps. First and foremost, it begins with cultivating the right mindset. Success and wealth are not accidental. They are the results of deliberate actions, guided by a clear vision and unwavering determination. Visualize your goals. Picture the life you aspire to lead. This mental image will serve as the beacon, illuminating your path towards success. Secondly, strive for constant self-improvement. The journey to prosperity is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a continuous process of learning, adapting, and evolving. Be it through reading, taking up new courses, or learning from the experiences of others, always seek to broaden your knowledge and skills. Remember, knowledge is power, and power translates into success and wealth. Thirdly, understand the power of investments. Money can work for you if you know how to handle it wisely. Investing in stocks, real estate, or even in your own business can generate passive income and exponentially increase your wealth. However, bear in mind that all investments come with risks, so educate yourself before diving headfirst into any venture. Fourthly, practice frugality. This doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. Instead, it's about making smart, conscious decisions about spending. It's about distinguishing between wants and needs and prioritizing the latter. With frugality comes the ability to save, and with saving comes the power to invest and grow your wealth. Lastly, but certainly not least, embrace failure. Failure is not a setback, but a stepping stone towards success. It provides valuable lessons and insights that can propel you forward. So don't fear failure. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it as a catalyst to drive your success. To sum it all up, the journey to success and wealth is not a straightforward path. It's a winding road filled with twists and turns. But by cultivating the right mindset, continuously improving oneself, understanding the power of investment, practicing frugality, and embracing failure, you are setting the stage for a prosperous future. Remember, every day is a new opportunity for growth and progress. The key to success and wealth lies within you. So, seize the day, trust the process, and watch as your dreams transform into reality.